Hey, are you searching for good quality camping cookware, but it is very difficult for you which one is best among this camping cookware? Don't worry, I help you make a decision. I have done a lot of research, read a lot of reviews, and then came to a conclusion which camping cookware is the best and much helpful for people like you. If you want to know the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, watch the video without wasting any time. Number 1. Gear for You Camping Cookware Kit. Pack this compact package when you're prepared to run for the hills and put your entire life on your back, and you'll have enough food for the entire week. This 13-piece set includes a non-stick skillet with a lid, 2 bowls, 2 folding cups, and 2 stainless steel sporks, among other essentials. A ladle, a bamboo spatula, and a sponge are all included as extras. When you go car camping this summer, just spread them all out on the picnic table and you'll feel like you have too many options. The majority of the cookware is composed of hard anodized aluminum, which is lightweight and durable and has received FDA approval. BPA-free and guaranteed to keep you and your loved ones safe are the other products, such as the spatula and folding cups and bowls. Number 2. TOAKS Titanium 2-piece set. One of the greatest camping dishes we have found is this straightforward cooking and camping cookware set, which is light enough for backpacking and sturdy enough for car camping. You may be sure that titanium ensures high quality without adding much to weight. The set weighs only 8.2 ounces in total, which is fantastic if you need to carry it on your back. The smaller pan has a capacity of 490 milliliters, or around half a liter, compared to the larger pot's 1,600 milliliters capacity, much less, but still excellent for boiling a cup of water or even frying. To keep you organized when camping and when packing everything into your day pack. It also includes a useful mesh sack. Number 3. Bisgear 13-piece mess kit. This basic kit includes everything that one person needs to eat, drink, and have a good time all by themselves. A plate, a bowl, a spoon, and even chopsticks are all included in the set. This set is not only portable thanks to the included carrying case, but it's also made of stainless steel and can be cleaned in the dishwasher. You could even have enough spare space in your bag to bring along a unique treat if you look closely. Number 4. Wealers Complete Mess Kit Set. This cook set is made of stainless steel, and it comes with cups, bowls, and utensils in addition to a mesh bag to store everything in. You may get it for 2 people or for 4 people, and as long as you load it strategically. You can use it for backpacking trips as well as trailer camping trips. It is lead-free, BPA-free, and latex-free, so it is safe for everyone to use as camping cookware. It is also beneficial to the environment. Wealers provides a guarantee that you will be completely satisfied with their services if you ever experience a problem and feel the need to get in touch with them. Number 5. Odoland 22-piece camping cookware. More than just spoons and camping dishes are included in this all-in-one package. This camping cookware is utilized for cooking, eating, and cleaning. The 22-piece set has enough dishes, glasses, and utensils for 4 people in addition to a sizable cook pot and a camping kettle. This set can fold and nest so it won't take up vital space in your camper, but it may give you the impression that you have a full kitchen at your disposal. High quality, non-stick aluminum alloy is used to make the cooking pot, kettle, and pan. With a capacity of 4 liters, the pot is prepared for almost anything, including hanging over a campfire with friends. The 1.5 liters kettle can also be hung. In this camping cooking set, the utensils fold to take up even less room, and the dishes are all made of stainless steel. This video is helpful for you. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button for more videos. And also check the description box for mentioned each product link. Thanks for watching this video.